guys, I want to show you how to fix Zapier not working error. So first open Zapier and connect your account, create a zap and head over to trigger, and for example you're gonna select Notion here and click on Notion to add your Notion action for the app. So choose Notion trigger event, for example new comment, and choose your account. Let's connect our account here and click on yes, connect to Notion. You should be good to go. So to that, just select your account, and this is it, guys. So if you have any error, you should able to be fixed here, and you can run some tests and then publish your zap. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe.